Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. The Lego Mario Yoshi's Egg unboxing. This set is not just another addition to your Lego collection. It's an awesome extension to the Lego Super Mario series that brings all the fun of the game right into your hands. Let's get started! Check it out! We've got a bag of Lego pieces. This set lets you build Yoshi's figure and the egg, just like in the game, where Mario teams up with Yoshi to fight Bowser's troops. Now, let's get building! Let's take a closer look at the pieces. Here's the main attraction, the Yoshi figure. Look at the details on him. It's like he's popped straight out of the game. And here's the famous egg. Remember how Yoshi's egg is used to help Mario fight off Bowser's troops in the game? This set lets you recreate all those epic moments. And there we have it, Yoshi's with his egg, and Mario right there to team up with him. This set really brings the game to life. You can even use the Lego Mario figure from your starter course to interact with Yoshi and earn coins, just like in the game.
Lego Mario time!
Watch this. When Mario hops on Yoshi, just like in the game, you get the classic sound. And teaming up to take down Bowser's troops, so satisfying. This set adds so much playability to the Lego Mario series. Oh, what do you think of the Lego Mario Yoshi's Egg set? Personally, I think it's a fantastic addition for any Lego or Mario fan. It's fun to build, and it brings so much of the game into real life. If you enjoy this unboxing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome Lego content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is your Kuya na baby pa. Kuya Baby Toy.